Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Instagram with Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. First of all, after you open your phone, all you have to do now, go to your Instagram app. After you open your Instagram, tap on your profile as you can see now. After you open your profile, tap on this three menu at the top right side. So now tap on this account center. It will take you to this option. All you have to do now, tap on this section where it says profile, your profile. So under your profile, as you can see now, tap on this add account. So in this add account, as you can see now, it says select the account you want to add. So as you can see now, you want to add Instagram or Facebook. So for me, I will just go and add Facebook. So tap on this Facebook. After you tap on this Facebook, tap on this yes, continue. So now make sure you already log in your Facebook account on your device. So as you can see now, it will just automatically just detect your Facebook account. As you can see, here is my Facebook account. It just now detect my Facebook account. If this is not my Facebook account, I'll just tap on this not now. It will ask me to type in my username and my password for my Facebook account. So here is my Facebook account. It just detects my Facebook account. If it is your Facebook account, just tap on this continue. If it is not your Facebook account, tap on this not now. It will give you an option to add your Facebook account. So for me, here is my Facebook account. I'll just tap on this section. Here is the Facebook account. So tap on this cancel, tap on this continue. So tap on this yes, here is my Facebook account. It just detect the Facebook account. If it is not your Facebook account, tap on this not now option. It will give you an option to type in your username and your password for your Facebook account. So as you can see now, I connected my Facebook account with my Instagram account. That's it guys on how to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.